I got a review product from Kiwi Design. No, this is not a kitchen accessory product. This is also related to home automation. This can hold your Google Home Hub. I personally have a very good place for my Home Hub. It sits on my kitchen island, so I'm not planning to wall mount it just for now. But I'm sure there are many of us there who are missing the countertop space for a Home Hub. And in fact, Kiwi Design has an entire range of accessories for Google and Amazon assistants. There is a product if you need to run your assistant on battery power or just need a better cable management. Still, if you place the Home Hub in a kitchen or a small nightstand, it might be an option to put it on the wall and free up some space. The holder comes in a box wrapped in micro bubble wrap to protect the shiny chrome parts. It is basically a metal loop which holds the Home Hub in the recess between the screen and the base. The entire loop rotates around 20 degrees in each direction, which allows the unit to be tilted up or down or sideways to an extent. The base of the holder can be secured to the wall with double-sided tape, or there are also 4 screw holes. The base is covered with a rubber cap and which can be peeled back to reveal the screw holes. But this is also a space where the cable can enter and the access cable can be wrapped around the base to make the entire setup neat. The end of the cable comes straight down from the base. I also thought we'd take a quick look of the Kiwi Design website just to have an idea what other products they are selling and designing. So it's kiwidesign.shop, and as I scroll down on the main page you can see that so right in the beginning you see some VR accessories, where if you have a VR goggles then you can have these hooks that hang the cable up from the ceiling. Well, I don't have a VR, I don't know how much this is a problem that you get stumbled upon in the virus. But if we move on from that, you see that there is a whole host of Google accessories products for the different Google Assistant devices, and then the DJI Osmo, and then you have various Apple accessories as well. If I scroll further down, you can see the 2 main products for the Home Mini. So you have a sort of like a base that you can plug directly into the wall, so everything is like neatly tucked inside as the charger and the Home Mini, so it just becomes like a wall-mounted Google Mini. And also there is a battery version, so if you don't want your Google Mini to be connected anywhere and you want to carry it around the house, you can plug it into this pod, which basically a battery which keeps it running for I don't know how many hours. And then mine wall mount for the Google Nest, and there is also a mount for the Google Wi-Fi. And again, DJI Osmo accessories, and the VR stuff that I was talking about in the beginning. So these cable hooks, and I think finally some Apple stuff. So car mounts to hold the AirPods and some stuff for the HomePod. And I think I was incorrect in the past stating that it's for Google and Alexa, because it's really just for the Google Assistant products, and you also have something for the Apple HomePod. Originally, I was skeptical how secure this loop holds the Home Hub. The Assistant is primarily a voice device, but occasionally I do touch the screen or the controls. But the Assistant is held quite securely in the loop. It does not move around whilst it's being used. And the ball joint, which allows the tilting, also appears to hold it firmly and do not sag under the device weight. I would recommend this product to anyone who wants to wall mount a Home Hub. It is a simple product, but it appears thought has gone into the design process, because it functions very well with some nice design features. If you are interested, I will leave purchasing links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and hopefully see you in the next video.